What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built.
So we're just taking a look at Ethereum here. As you can see, things still looking really good. This is our macro uptrend that we've been in for basically ever since the March 2020 crash into our bull run. You can see here, obviously just trading upwards inside this channel. Overall, things looking really positive in general for Ethereum. I mean, it was down at around, what is it, $80–90 here. Currently trading at around $3,600-ish, so absolutely incredible. Obviously, recently, with that big correction throughout May, June, and then going into, potentially a little bit of July, where we did get the, that big falling wedge. We double bottom out here. We come all the way up outside of that range that we were talking about. We back tested it. We go into September, things looking really good, but then we did get that A, B, C correction, as you can see there. That we saw for a lot of cryptos. Obviously, September being a very bearish month for financial markets. We saw the El Salvador dump. There was loads of China FUD, more China banning cryptocurrency FUD, all that kind of nonsense. And then going into October, we have got that pickup again, as you can see here. We did have another bit of a falling wedge, something like this, where essentially, Ethereum trading downwards, get that ABC correction, then you get that W double bottom, just like we did here, W double bottom, breakout as well. And you can see here, we've actually, double bottomed out, broken out of that resistance we were stuck under, and then we basically come back up towards, what is this, $3,600 now. So things looking really good. Obviously, Bitcoin's had a nice pump over the past few days, so we're expecting the altcoins to follow very shortly. So expect to get Ethereum to continue to pump from here. Basically, what we're seeing here is we're making that macro higher low, and then if we come up here, break this level here, just like Bitcoin did, and come up, basically make that macro higher again. We're looking at trading upwards here inside of our channel, basically looking for higher price targets, aren't we? So overall, Ethereum looking really strong. Obviously, on our daily time frame here, things looking really good in our opinion. You can see here, we're just flipping back bullish. We're starting to get, a little bit overbought, but basically making our way back up to these kinds of levels here that we want to see. Coming up towards that target, that next target, we would say, obviously, we've got the all-time high of around $4,400-ish as the all-time high target. And this 141 extension for the whole of the bull run as well, which is basically, coming in at around $4,600. Ethereum looking really good. And to be honest, obviously it's been quite bullish recently. It's got this recent EIP 1559 upgrade, and overall looking like a really strong project, doing really well. Obviously, if we throw our fib retracements on here, you can see pretty much what's going on. We've come all the way up here, obviously support and resistance all the way. Currently stuck under our 0.78 on our recent full fib pull. But if we can break through this, and obviously we've got targets here, this next resistance at around 4K would be our next short-term price target. But we do think it's looking really good, basically ready to be heading further to the upside, especially with Bitcoin leading the market up. Obviously, altcoins lagging a little bit behind. Basically, we're waiting for that bounce, aren't we? So that really big move to the upside that we're probably going to see quite soon. We made that macro higher low, and now we're looking to just make that higher high, break the all-time high, back test, and then continue. So overall, things looking really good, and we would say realistically, Ethereum is probably going to be moving up pretty damn soon from what we can tell. So short-term price predictions then, obviously, if we roll over, we've got the 20 here and the 55 coming in at around, what is this, $3,400-ish and about $3,200 respectively. If we rolled over to backtest this level along with this previous swing high resistance, which was support flipped into resistance, and then if we flipped it back into support, you could obviously have that inverse head and shoulders kind of play out, looking something like this, with the target coming up to around the all-time high, around $4,400-ish. So that'd be our short-term price prediction to the downside. And then obviously looking upwards, we want to be breaking out of this level here around $3,700. We've got that 4K target, and then also the all-time high around 4,400. And then going into the remainder of the bull run, as we always say, we do strongly think that Ethereum's going to do very well, probably going to be well over 10K, maybe 15 or 20K, judging by these Fibonacci extensions going into December, January time. So
that's it guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.